For all your motoring needs in Loughborough, look no further than Carillon Services. We offer a comprehensive range of services, including MOT testing, engine rebuilds, car servicing, and air conditioning repairs. Our fully qualified and experienced mechanics are trained in hybrid technology and Delphi diagnostics. Whatever work your vehicle needs, you can trust your vehicle to us, knowing it's in safe hands. We use products and parts from premium brands and offer a free collection and delivery service. Our focus is on providing good, honest, and reliable services at competitive prices. And if you have questions or queries, we'll give you a quick response every time. We use advanced diagnostic tools, can repair and service any make and model of vehicle, and never carry out any work without your approval. Carillon Services, offering the very best services at competitive prices. Contact us today to learn more.